Welcome to my channel. I'm Zhan Xu. Let's look at the problem 69 in chapter 30. Chapter 30 is about inductance, electromagnetic oscillations, and AC circuits. There we have LRC circuit, right? And it tells us the resonant frequency is 18,000 Hz. So we write it there. And the capacitor is given as write it there, right? Next one. Tell us the inductor comes from the solenoid. And for this solenoid, it is just with closed packed coils, right? And this length of wire is given, and the diameter of the wire is given at there. Ask you how many loops will the inductor contain? So now it looks like we need to find how many loops in this solenoid, right? And before that, we need to look at the inductance for this solenoid. There, we can directly write down the equation to connect the resonant frequency with L and C at there, right? See, this is the equation about L because F naught is given, C is given, so L we don't know. We can get the L from this equation. Now, next one, how can you get the inductance from the solenoid? So we have this equation. This is mu naught n squared A divided by L, right? And then this L is the length of a solenoid. So we can write it as the how many number of the rounds, right? How many turns of these coils. So for each turn of coil, the distance is about diameter. So the total length for the solenoid is the N times D. D is diameter for this coil. Next one, the A is the cross-sectional areas, so pi r squared, right? The next one, N is how many turns of this solenoid. We can write the total length of the wire divided by 1 turn. The length is about 2 pi r. This r is the radius about this solenoid, right? See, for each round, for 1 turn, the length for 1 turn for this solenoid, 2 pi r. Now, the total length for the coil is L wire. This is tell us how many turns, right? And then the A is the cross-sectional areas for the solenoid, pi r squared. Now we can write L as this one. From this equation, we can get this L as 1 over 2 pi squared F naught C and equal to this one, right? So from this equation, you can see the only unknown quantity is the capital N. So we solve this equation, get a function for the N. So finally, how many turns the inductor contain? 37. Thank you.